Go.
We are recording? Okay, so guess where we're at. All right, time's up. This is exactly where we're at. Redlands University. My marketing and SEO is finally pay off. I broke into this proximity. There is a photo booth existing company. This is their backyard. So this is what I mean, guys. SEO is really important, but more on that on another video. Right now, I'm using the brand new 360 booth. This is a newer generation. I am using the D mount, and I also requested, going back and forth with the supplier, to send me a more durable, sturdier arm. So this isn't a 1/4 inch. This is, I think, a 3/8. So it's thicker, which means it's gonna be a lot more solid when I mount more things to it. So it's so great that I can just twist it just like this, and it's all I need to do. Previously on my other photo booths, as you guys remember, you have to unlock things over and over again. With this one, you just twist and adjust as needed, okay? So if you guys are interested, I'm gonna be listing my suppliers in the description box below. Look at the whole entire area we have to work with today. We're really gonna transform this area, and then that nice bright wall here in the background that's blank, we're probably gonna hit the laser animation machine to have the animations projected onto that wall. Let's go ahead and get to work.
Now you scrolling at my house in the middle of the night. I'm trying to